This video is brought to you by Hometrust, Singapore's trusted community review site which offers advice and feedback from hundreds of reviews for homeowners. Looking for an interior designer? All you need to do is fill up the form in the homepage, choose your housing type, budget and style, then you're good to go. Hometrust will filter out the interior designers and projects based on your requirements, which makes things easier for you. If you're still having trouble, use the Get Recommendations feature. By filling out the form, Hometrust will provide you with expert recommendations through their highly selective matching process. They will analyze your requirements and recommend 3 to 5 suitable interior designers based on your preferences as well as project requirements to their database. So, visit their website now at www.hometrust.sg or via the link in the description box down below.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying. And it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. Can't imagine living life alone. If we were to go separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go.
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Alright, so the locks are installed. So I'm so sorry, it's so dark. I will film it another day. Alright, so Luxus has installed both the gate lock and the door lock, and similarly the doorbell, smart doorbell as well. So because the Wi-Fi isn't up yet, so they never install the doorbell here, and I won't be able to show you much features of the Luxus lock, so that will be in another video. But other than that, it's installed, and the gate and the door is changed as well. Looks good. They're gonna customize the unit number, hence it's empty there. But yeah, so similar like ours. This is how it looks like, and this is the door, main door laminate, wooden, like the carpentry inside their place lah. Yeah, so this is a synchronized lock. So basically, once I unlock the gate, the door will unlock as well. So let's give it a go. I'm not sure which finger it is, but let's give it a try. Yeah, so the gate unlocked and the door unlocked as well, as you can hear that. Looks good. Yay, nicely done. And of course, this one you don't need to push or pull, as mentioned in my parents-in-law's video. Yeah, so it makes it very simple to know. You don't just come into the door, you don't have to push something to enter. You can just use your butt or your back, yeah, just to make things simpler lah. Yeah, so let me show you guys the door, the gate one, cause the gate one is not installed at my parents-in-law place. Yeah, so alright, so this is how the inside of it looks like. This is the manual key, and this button is nothing. So in fact, there's another version for this gate lock. So it actually comes with a fingerprint placement here. So for theirs, they didn't get that, because in a sense it's a bit unnecessary also. So you actually have this remote right here that you will be using to unlock the gate lock lah. Yeah, so this is how you unlock the gate. But for the other version of it, right, there's actually the thumbprint scanner here in a way. So when you want to exit and you don't want to use the remote, you can just put your thumbprint here, then the gate will unlock. Yeah, but it's good enough lah, this thing. And similarly, this remote can unlock both the gate and the door as well. So let me show it to you guys. Yeah, so it unlocked. Alright, so let me demo for you guys. So now the gate is locked, the door is locked as well. So with the remote control, you unlock the gate and the door as well. Yeah, so this is the beauty of the remote. Useful. So yeah, once their Wi-Fi is up, I will show you guys the other features. So especially the Google one, cause the Google one I never did it for Wen-Xing's parents' place. So hopefully they have a Nest Hub here or something like that, and I can show it to you guys easily. And of course the smart doorbell, which is outside. I will show you guys how the depth of field looks like and how the overall usage of the smart doorbell lah. Yeah.
Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go?
don't you know that